with my little eye something that is gray.
Great. All right. The pavement or the blocks, whatever they are.
No.
No. Okay. The fence.
Nope.
No. Not the fence. The chair, way over there.
No.
No. The tarp.
Nope. Nope.
Not the tarp. The garbage can.
Nope.
The car.
No.
The sink.
No.
The stairs.
No.
Ugh. Oh. You're gonna laugh. I'm such an idiot. Most obvious thing out there in the sky.
No.
Well, that's everything. The only thing on this whole earth that I haven't said is pop can.
You got it.
It's not gray.
It is now.